So, what is the purpose of automated software testing? Before we get into that deep discussion, I wanted to read you guys a quote. The quote reads, "You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else." This is a quote by Albert Einstein. You guys might know him. He's a pretty smart individual, maybe one of the smartest individuals in our lifetime. And the reason that I like quotes, the reason that they're so inspirational to me, and the reason I hope they're inspirational to you is because they are quoted by very smart and knowledgeable individuals. I don't believe that I should spend the rest of my life learning mistakes that people have already made for me. Instead, I would rather listen to a smart individual like Albert Einstein, take his advice, and pick up where he left off. That's actually exactly what I'm here to do for you guys as well. Why do you need to spend all of your years catching up to where I am today? You don't need to do that. All you have to do is take my advice, and now you're going to immediately pick up where my knowledge is. You may not have all the exact knowledge that I have right now, but you're certainly going to get a huge portion of it, and you're going to pick up where I left off. You're going to take that knowledge and you're going to continue, kind of allowing you a leap into the future rather than spending all your time making the same mistakes that I have. So that's why I wanted to get into a topic of the purpose of automated software testing. I know that it doesn't directly link to Selenium automation, but I think it's a very foundational topic that needs to be discussed in order for you guys to do automation well. If it's automation with Selenium, that's amazing, but you never know. You may move on to another job where you don't need to do Selenium automation. You may need to do automated testing with QTP, UFT, SmartBear, whatever. But these principles that you will learn here will lay the groundwork for you guys to be able to do automated software testing well, no matter where you go. I've known a lot of individuals that don't really get the purpose of automated software testing. I've known some individuals who are all fantastic and who were all doing their best, but they were just silly. They would sit and write a bunch of code that used to test the applications, and their code was so hard to understand and so hard to maintain that they spent more time maintaining their automated test suite than they did actually testing the functionality of the application, which is the ultimate goal of automated software testing. But we'll get more into that in the future. Either way, the point is, I want you guys to know the rules of the game so that you can play better than anyone else.